What's up everyone, welcome to KDP.
So Kunjdev Productions got hired to make their first promotional video.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team.
Guys, it wasn't that serious. We didn't get sponsored by LearnMate, but it's a service that all four of us use and we highly recommend it.
Yeah, oh boys, come on, I haven't seen the video. Come on,
Let's watch it.
So that's how you find the value there. We're integrating the whole function and making it equal to 1.
Okay,
Make
I
sense?
understand it now.
Got it.
Thank you so
Cool. See you next week?
Yeah, see you next week.
Receiving tutoring can help you in topics that you're not too sure about, or to get that upper hand in class. However, not every tutor is a pro like me. These are the top 5 tutors you shouldn't hire. First we have the disorganized tutor.
Where could this guy be?
One eternity later.
Sorry, I'm a couple minutes late.
Couple minutes?
So you said you needed help with the methods?
No chemistry.
Yeah, so geometry, right? So usually what you do is, next we have the clues tutor.
So I'm having trouble with differentiating this equation.
Okay, let me have a look actually.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's alright. I'm just trying to find the best way to explain this to you. The easiest way to explain.
Okay. Do you not know how to answer this?
No. Of course, it's super easy actually. It's really, like, log is, so that's trigonometry obviously. So when you differentiate log, you get cos of x. Yeah. So for this question, we applied Newton's fourth law and use probability density functions to find the answer to this question.
Yeah.
So after that, after you differentiate this, you'll end up with the values 2 pi over 2. Then we multiply that by -1, and obviously when we put this all into brackets, you get a power of 1. Is that right?
Yeah.
Power of 1 is what? The answer is going to stay the same. So we'll end up with the 2's cancel out, and we get just pi as our answer.
Bro, are you serious? Pi from log x squared.
Next we have the super fast tutor.
Alright, so could you please explain to me Einstein's special relativity? Our teacher went through it in class today, but I didn't really understand it.
Yeah, so I understand. It's a bit hard to get your head around, but we got it. So
Einstein's special theory of relativity was made by Einstein in 1904. He theorized what Newtonian physics couldn't as particles move closer to the speed of light. So he designated 2 postulates. One of them being that particles behave in the same way as the normal laws of physics under the same inertial frame of reference. The second being that light always has a constant speed of 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and that is in a vacuum.
is this all making sense to you?
I mean, sort of, but could you please go a bit slower?
Oh, okay, sorry. Was that too fast there? Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
So where was I? So if you look at
This equation here, it says speed equals distance over time, right? So if time remains constant, distance must change and time must change. Yeah? This is called length contraction and time dilation.
Bro, please just go a bit slower, man.
slower, sorry.
And start from the beginning as well.
Oh yeah, sure, no worries.
So special theory of relativity was theorized by Albert Einstein in 1904. It theorized what Newtonian physics couldn't.
Bro, man.
Well, that was slower that time. What are you talking about? Next we have the boring tutor. Can you explain this one to me? I'm not sure what to do here.
Alright, so this is a typical Newtonian question. We're given that the initial speed is 4 meters per second. Time is given to be 4 seconds as well. And we know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Now this is normally approximated to 10 meters per second usually, just for simplicity purposes. And in the question we're told to find the distance. And to do that, since acceleration is constant, we can use one of the SUVAT questions. Do you know which one? That's right. S equals ut plus half at squared. So when you sub in the values into the equation, you'll come out with something like 4.5 meters. That was so fun. Let's move on to the next question.
Lastly, we have the cringe tutor.
So, is this step correct?
It's lit.
It's what?
You know how the Travis Scott guy says it in his songs?
Okay.
Yep. Sorry, keep going.
Yeah.
So I think I'm done.
Hey, killed it! Nice, man. Yeah. Let's go. All right, let's check the answer from the back to see if we're keeping it 100.
Keeping it what?
So check the answer.
Alright. Yep, that's correct.
Hey, it's lit. Oh, hey.
Bro, be quiet, man. We're in library, bro.
Hey, let's go. Hey. Unlike the tutors we talked about today, LearnMate can offer you with quality tutoring. They also have the added advantage of being the largest network of tutors around. So to start your journey, go to learnmate.com.au or click the link down below. Hey, how you doing? Guys, I have my next student. I'll see you next time. How can I help?
Girl, I'm sick, can't lie, I'm sick. Girl, I'm sick.